again. I just put on.
Entrance to aviary. Ba't ka tumatawa?
Yan, yung ano.
So, nandito naman tayo sa loob ng aviary dito sa Central. Daming ibon. Ano tawag mo? Kru, 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 kru. Kru, kru, kru. Hello! Hi, hi! Tweet, 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 hi! Hello! Hi, hi! Oh! Hi, hi!
Ito yung ano yung messenger dati. Email to dati. Email.
Hello! Going down. Going once. Twice. Going down.
Pucha.
Ay, pucha, umipot. 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 Ang ganda. Ang taba nila. Ang dami ng pagkain. Ito, ang healthy. Oh, nandiyan pala yung jowa mo ah. Grabe ka ah. Ano ba yan? Ano ginagawa niyo dyan? Hala, tumalikod, Danwar. Tumalikod siya. Sabi ko nandiyan yung jowa niya. Uy, ang galing naman. Ongos. Uy. Ang galing ah.
Hindi na, hindi na.
Wait lang. Sorry, bawal pala.
Oo.
Tik na. Tik na naman ako madapa. Stone Slab Street. Yan talaga siya. Mga So, nandito na tayo sa Monster Building, kaso ginagawa.
Diba? Ganun na yun.
Oh, yung galing ah.
O kaya, up yun, oh. Calf. Kaya yung nasa video eh, lolo eh.
Uy, trinay niya. Trinay mo.
Alin?
Yun to. Ito. Try mo ulit. Try mo.
Baka maputol ah. Ganyan ba yun?
Mali. Sige, atake mo. Ang hirap. Ang hirap pala nun. Ang galing. Ang galing ni Lolo. Oh. Ba't ganyan? Morning! So, pang day 3 namin ngayong araw and pupunta kami ng Hong Kong Disneyland. Yan, nandito kami sa Alhambra Building. Dito kami natutulog.
Sa Disneyland.
Yes! Pero kakain muna kami sa... Wala na pala pa.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day. Sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space. Till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What a grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jordan. Papunta tayo ng Liking. Then, baba tayo dyan. Lilipat tayo ng... Saan tayo lilipat? Sa color green? Sa orange. Para makalipat sa Sunny. Then, going to Disneyland Resort. So, yun, pagka-tap, punta ka lang dito sa bababa ka ng hagdan para makasakay sa train going to Liking. Nasa Jordan tayo going to Liking.
While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it be, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean no facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with troops. Ain't no answers in the feed, just noise
na
and
kami,
flex.
mga
But I
ka-brownie.
found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift, but the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft.
Uy, magkatabi sila.
I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean no facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.
Woo! Go time, go time. Woo! Sponsored. Joke. Okay guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa Hong Kong Disneyland. And ayan, nagpipictorial na po ang mga human beings. So, ngayon ay time check tayo. 8:20 pa lang. Sige, tingnan natin kung yan ba yung ano. Ang haba naman ang pila. Dahil maaga tayo ngayon, mag-ano muna ako. Maglalakad-lakad ako dito. So, dito sa lugar na to, heading to ano siya, Disneyland Hotel. Yan, titingnan ko lang kung ano meron doon. So, meron silang directory. Ayan. You are here. So, nakalagay nandito ko banda sa park entrance. Okay. Ayan, nakalagay resort. Hotels, Disneyland Resort Pier. Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. So, ayan guys, naglakad lang kami. Heading to their hotel. Ayan. So, mag-i-inquire lang tayo. Pwede naman mag-inquire. Wow. Asa si Bidi?
Nagtago.
Bidi.
Maligaw ka dyan.
Bidi. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, parang nasa fairy tale ano. Hindi, ito nakita natin to. Oo.
Hindi ganyan yung design. Hindi Mickey Mouse.
So ito yung ano, hotel. Ay yung ano, yung swimming pool. Okay, so magsi-CR muna si Baby Kim. Queen's Grand Mini Golf. Mini golf. Thank you. Nasaan na?
Wala. Wala.
Ayan, yan, yan, yan. Ito yan, 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 yan. Ya. Ay, parang sanggol ah. Yan na. Sige, ano mo, isuk-suk mo.
Ito ano, sisirado. Parang sanggol. Hindi, di masigo.
Wow!
Sana all nakaganyan na.